Hello students, so this question is taken from chapter Matter in Our Surroundings. So do you know students, the force between the particles of matter is basically known as, our first option is intramolecular force of attraction, second point is intermolecular force of attraction, third point is intermolecular force of repulsion, and our last option is intramolecular force of repulsion. So students, before going ahead with the solution, let us first know about the differences that we got to see between the intermolecular and intramolecular forces. So our first point is intramolecular forces are the forces that hold atoms together within a molecule. Intermolecular forces are forces that exist between molecules. Our second point is students, whenever we compare these two forces, the intermolecular forces will be considered to be much weaker than the intramolecular forces. So students, if we see to the intermolecular forces are basically the forces of attraction or repulsion which act between our neighboring particles, which can be your atoms, molecules and ions. Repulsive intermolecular forces are weak compared to intermolecular forces which keep a molecule together. For example, are covalent and ionic bonding. So students, if we see to the intermolecular force of attraction in solids, it is the strongest, students. In liquid, it is less than the solid, and if we talk about in the gaseous state, students, it is very weak. So students, the correct answer for this question will be our option number B. The force between the particles of matter will be known as the intermolecular force of attraction. So I hope students this explanation is clear to you. So see you all in our next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.